Hey boo, hey, I'm back and I'm feeling better. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I picked up from Home Goods because I have to get my office together. I've been in this office for almost 2 months, probably a little bit longer than that, and I haven't decorated a thing, not one thing. So I found these little metal designs and I want to use them in the space to create pattern. And I'm also thinking about getting like a sideboard just to add some dimension and then give me a surface to kind of decorate on top of. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I should add a sideboard or something like a console table or something. And I think these options would look nice just because they kind of tie in with the rug, but I'm so indecisive. I don't know. We'll have to see. So I was trying to figure out how to add some design to the space because this is Waynaworld HQ. We got to make it design worthy. All right, so I had a fig plant and it definitely died. That's what happens when you are sick and you cannot get into the office. So I picked up this really nice faux fig leaf plant and I really like it. I really like the plant pot the most. It has like really small hexagons and it just provides that texture that I love. So hopefully I don't kill this one, but you never know. You never know. All right, so I'm going to be sharing some details about some of the stuff that I picked up and some of the projects that I want to do, like this little faux fabric wall that I've been contemplating. I picked this fabric up from IKEA out of the As Is section a while ago. So my ideas are pretty much all over the place. All right, so yeah, this is the lamp. This is acrylic on the bottom and then it's glass with like a brass colored gold. It is so pretty to me with this very beautiful navy blue lampshade. I need to get a lint roller and roll it. But this is 50 bucks, 59 bucks, $60, which is not bad. 120 for 2 lamps isn't bad, especially if they're really nice lamps. So hopefully I can find a really nice console table that is going to complement this very well. And I'm thinking about doing something kind of on the darker side. I really like wood tones, especially dark wood tones. So we'll see if that works. And then this is the design pattern, and you can probably find these at Home Goods. They had quite a bit. Now, they didn't have as many as I needed, so I had to go to 2 Home Goods in order to get the amount that I needed. But in my mind, once this goes up, because it has little tabs on the back that push it out from the wall, in my mind, this is going to be so beautiful when it's created, like when it's turned into just one big piece. It's going to be so dope. So hopefully it works out. I will keep you posted. So I'm going to start working on this wall just to see how it looks preliminarily. And I have the tape measure down there because I am going to hit a few stores up and see if I can find a console table so that I can get that checked off my list. But yeah, if you want to see how it looks, then give this video a thumbs up and I'll make that quick video for you also. And all I am using are these clear push pins right here. So this is super rental friendly and temporary. find a really nice ottoman. It's very long and it has a lot of storage, and I'm going to try to put some of my stuff from my other ottoman into this one. Now, the reason I like the longer ottoman is because it kind of serves as like a bench. The other one, it did its job. I got it from Ross a long time ago, but it's just too small, and even though I have my things stored in there, I'm not able to access them easily, and so I feel like I just have a big junk ottoman, almost the equivalent of a junk drawer. So what I'm going to do is just kind of categorize everything and lay it out, so that way once I need to access it, then I'll know exactly where everything is. And this is how it looks. Much better. Oh my gosh, so I just have so much stuff. Like, ever since I became a quote unquote designer, I literally have tons of fabric and curtains and just a bunch of stuff. So just being able to organize this stuff, which I did previously, is making me feel a lot better. So this is how it looks. This is pretty much step 1 of my little office makeover. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe for part 2 and part 3, because I'm going to be showing you guys the journey of decorating Waynaworld HQ. All right, I'll see you on the next upload. Don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic.